Hi everyone. Today I'll be sharing with you one of my go-to smoked fish sauce recipes. My kids love it a lot. There's never a leftover when I make this. Join me. Let's have some fun. In a clean, dry cooking pan, pour in about half a cup of vegetable oil, then add 2 medium-sized sliced onions, 6 medium-sized chunkly chopped fresh tomatoes, 3 medium-sized fresh paprika also chopped, some grated ginger, about half a tablespoon. Stir it very well to mix in together. Allow it to saute covered for about 8 to 10 minutes. Can you see how the onions and the tomatoes and the peppers have all caramelized? Oh, this is looking good. Now pour in a blended mix of 4 Scotch Bonnet Pepper, 6 medium-sized Cayenne Pepper, and 1 small bulb of onion. Stir in very well. Now we are going to season it. Add about half teaspoon thyme, 1 teaspoon curry powder, half teaspoon Tumeric powder, half teaspoon all seasoning, half teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon fish seasoning, half teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 stock cube. Stir very well. Cover and allow to simmer. Once it starts simmering, remove the cover. Stir, allow to continue simmering uncovered for about 8 to 10 minutes. Please be stirring at intervals. Now it's time to add the cleaned, deboned, and flaked smoked mackerel fish. Stir in very well. Allow to simmer, still uncovered, for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then add a light handful of basil leaves, known as curry leaves. Stir and cook for an extra 2 minutes or so. Wow, our sauce is ready. My son is already waiting behind with his plate. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video when I upload. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this sauce. There you have it. Yummy smoked fish sauce. Delicious meal from my kitchen to yours. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.